Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Oreo cookies are mass-produced, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The precise ratios of these ingredients are carefully controlled, ensuring that signature Oreo taste and texture every single time. Every batch is refined and tested to meet exact quality standards.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Oreo cookies are mass produced, from tonight for finish, from start to finish.